No, fuck! Okay, I'm still recording. That's good. Okay. No, stop! It's fucking pissing me off. I'm getting trolled by a literal thumbnail. Let me plug my phone really quick before I shoot Dumbest. Yeah, Dumbest. His name is Dumbest. Down it. Oh shit. It's not. Really not. Okay, it's charging. Okay. Go up that hill, boy. Go up that hill, boy. Go up that hill, boy. Yeah, go up that hill, boy. Go up that hill, boy. And this is the part where it dies. Wait for it. Oh no! Oh! That's new. Oh! There we go. And since I verified my account, I can now make longer videos. That's okay. I'll try and get a good look for one of the engines or something. I should have gotten Annie and Corbo for comments. Well, Edward will bring Annie and Corbo for him. Yeah, Jedward. No, fuck you, I don't want to give you money. Stay broke. Okay. Stay here, Edward. I'm gonna go over here. Spawn. Annie. I said Annie. And Clarabelle. And now Edward will bring the two coaches for Thomas. Okay, come on, Jedward, blue guy. Let's go, let's go.
Give me money, give me money, give me money,
No,
give
that's
me
wrong
money,
with
give me
him.
money.
Edward almost fucking derailed. Oh, he's on crack. He's on crack. He's on crack. When did Edward even use this face? I don't remember seeing him. I haven't seen this face before. Oh no! No, Edward, slow down! Edward! 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 Ah! He's dead. I'm so glad I could afford a private server for one Robux. Let's get Henry the Flying Kipper, just because. I don't remember what the Flying Kipper looks like, so I'm gonna try my best on that. Okay, Henry, you can stop now. I'm Henry style. Chop, 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 chop. 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 I'm Henry style. Okay, what am I doing? It's probably gonna be like one of the longest videos on my channel. Look at that. I need a flatbed. Well. Why is there just an option called well? Flatbed. Yep, that's 100% the flying kipper, bro. It's the kipper, guys. It's Kiff. Kiff? What the fuck? Numinos? What the fuck? And that's how to give the gift of homemade chocolate chip cookies. Get those brownies out of there, goddammit! 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, Henry with the flying kicker. The express is probably gonna take longer. I once saw someone with like 16,000 express coaches, and Gordon wasn't able to pull it. Not even 3 engines could pull that shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Henry style chop, 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 chop. Henry style chop, 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 chop. Bitch the biggest bitch in the hell, baby. Stupid bitch never in the bitch in the bitch. You rather banging girls. Carmen, shut your bitch ass up. The minute you see the bitch and you see the bitch and I your lyrics. Screw you guys, you did the lyrics. Come on, you are my freaking mommy, the biggest bitch in the hell, baby. Stupid bitch never in the bitch. Stupid bitch. Come on, the bitch, with the stupid bitch. You guys have my Carmen impression? Oh no! Henry! Henry! Oh no! Henry! You're dead! You're dead! I'm gay. You're gay. We're down. Fucking gay. Oh! Oh! Man, I had to sneeze. Why's his mouth? Bro, why does he look like Adolf Hitler, bro? And this one is just a Chinese Adolf Hitler. Like, that's literally the mustache, bro. Why are they just making him smile with the Hitler mustache? I don't get it. Not gonna give Gordon the express, we're gonna make him crash. And I forgot. I forgot. I already know, bro. Already know, bro. You already know, bro. Actually, yeah, I changed my mind. I'm gonna leave Henry stranded there. I'll just go on the. I'll actually delete Henry. I'll take his tender. Actually, I'll go up the hill. Then I'll go down the hill. Dun, 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 dun. done. Your mom is a stupid hole with no fucking bitches. Finnegan's a stupid bitch who was just transgender. I lost my dick because I fucked my fucking blender. I don't know why I'm saying this. I'm a last Karen bender, bro. What am I doing? I'm not Eminem, bro. Okay, I got the brick van. Let's go. Let's go. This time we're gonna go all the way up here and launch ourselves down. I like how you can drive the brake vans. Like you can't pull a butch chain, just drive it with the brake van. You don't need an engine anymore, you can just use a brake van. How genius is that? This one I'm only crashing the intermediate engines, by the way, guys. Why is it tender blue? How'd I do that? Go! Oh no! No! Oh! That was perfect timing, though. Oh my god. Anywhere's Thomas. He could be anywhere. Where's Thomas? He could be anywhere in my What? Who said that? Who said that? Nah, no way to say that. Up we go. Oh no. Up we go. Yeah, we're crashing this brake van. Fuck you. Up we go. Up we go. Okay. I'm gonna do the most Hot Wheels accelerations looking ass thing ever. The sound that the engines make in your day. Let's go get Gordon now. It's your time to shine, Gordon. What the fuck was that? No, he's tender. Oh, I have a big ass forehead. Oh, I have a big ass forehead. He's got a big ass forehead. I don't not. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, Gordon, dumbass bitch. How dare you? Yeah, fuck you, Gordon. I busted him on bubble. Dome. Jam. Bogey switch. Oh yeah, I forgot that exists. Royal sperm, shit, smoke deflectors, wheel. I actually kind of like this look. And a winch. Hell yeah, Fireman Gordon Sam. These are the sound that the engines make, and these are the sound that the engines make. Giggity, giggity, goo. Giggity, 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 goo. Giggity, 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 goo. Whoa, wait, what the fuck? I don't want that. No, stop. No. Oh, fuck, I'm gone. Come on, Gordon, get your 2 express coaches. The alternate whistle, I know it's like when Gordon bursts his like safety valve or something. And his whistle like starts like that. But it reminds me of a World War I trench whistle. You guys know what I'm saying? Over the top, lads! Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, do you hear the reference? Attack! What the fuck? Stupid bump, that always fucks me up. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! 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 I'm struggling! Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh my god! No! No! Oh! Yo! I caught that on video. And Gordon's dead. I'm Henry style. Chop, 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 chop. I'm Henry style. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, why do I keep singing that song? Shout out to Paul. I don't know what to say now. So shout out to Lando Norris. Shout out to Max Verstappen. Shout out to Paul Vince. Shout out to the Unlucky Tug. Shout out to TTTE guys. Shout out to Reverend W Audrey. I don't fucking know what to say at this point. Where am I? We gotta go spawn the other engines now. Okay. James. Percy. Tobias. And Duck. I said Duck, guys. Okay, so first off, we already know. Number order. James. And what is this? James shit everywhere. Celebration banners, bee sting. Bee stings, you got a nose, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the limited, the gravy train, what the fuck, greasy spoon, sand, soap, tar. Why are you so happy about the tar on his nose? Sodor United, and tarp. What even is the point of tarp? And for this one, we're just gonna make James' brakes on fire. I would give him the red coaches, but I don't really feel like it. And James is gonna be, oh wait, I forgot Cousin Dave. No, we forgot Cousin Dave. I'll spawn him later. Yeah, I'm so tough when my brakes on fire. Look at me, guys. I'm so tough when my brakes on fire. Look at me, guys. I'm so tough. Look at how tough I am. I got fire wheels. I'm so tough. I'm a firebender. I might well consider me Avatar the Last Firebender. Wait, is that the Express? Oh shit, I can't stop. I can't stop. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! No! Gordon! Ah! He's dead. 12:45. Okay, we're running out of time. Percy, let's go get your mail. Mail cars! Push! just infinitely smiling and staring into the void. What is in the void that you're so interested about, Percy? Like, let me guess, Percy. You have a crush on Kit from Game Overs, bro. Oh, I'm just chilling. Why do you sound like Chespin? I don't know. Kill me. Okay, so you're gonna get killed. Let me get your male courses first. Fans. Male. It's all male. Go get your mail cars. Mail cars. Mail cars. Oh shit, my shit. Okay, let's go, Percy. Mail cars. Mail cars. Yeah. Mail cars. Mail cars. And he's just crying about his little mail cars. Yo, sup guys, it's me, Tobiah. I don't have the pixelated voice. Shout out to Stepney Boy. Someone please watch this video. Henrietta, let's get the damn move on already. All the engines on this damn island. All the engines on this damn island. Okay, smartass. Sup, homies? What the fuck? So now we're going up to Gordon's Hill. Oh no! Oh! 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 I can't push this up. Percy, move your fat ass. No, it's my meal cars. Hey, what are you doing? Hey! I gotta push this stupid middle cars. All the engines on this damn island. Go up! Ah, yes! Yes! Oh, get that working, get that working. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Ah! Now it's time for Duck. They have slip coaches in this game. Slip coaches. Don't ask why I'm stealing everyone's jokes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you haven't promised anymore. Okay, let's go. Stop! Duck! What the fuck was that? Bloggers. What the fuck are the NCB? If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Where's number? Let's get that shit. Let's see if they have any slip coaches for you, Duck. They don't have any. They do have slip coaches. I'm just getting one. Oh no, it's so biased. Uh-oh. Yeah, no, stop. Whoa. This reminds me of the sort of Fallout Toby crash. Where Toby commits suicide. Just for the thick of it, we're taking Emily. That's Henry's whistle. And Emily's dead. I need to get Oliver and Toad at 12:55, making good time, I guess. It's just that one dude that goes. Change the signal. Change the signal. Change the signal. Fuck! You can't change the signal. That's fucking stupid. Toad! I forgot Toad! If my dad catch me playing this game, he would have been mad. Toad! What the fuck? Two Toads. Mr. Oliver. Oh. What the fuck was that? Mr. Oliver. Oh. Toad. Give him a piece of what they got to me. Oh, Dennis, how'd the money go? You didn't forget, did ya? And what the fuck? No. Oliver, you didn't see anything. Dennis, what the fuck are you on Pornhub? Oh no, here I go. I already know what's gonna happen. Oh no. Oh, Mr. Oliver, look out. No, fuck you, Toad. Look out, Mr. Oliver. You guys not get out the way. The breakdown train isn't here yet. Thomas is derailed. Edward's derailed. Henry's dead. Gordon's dead. James derailed. Percy's dead. Toby is over here. Duck is over here. I don't know we're done on the Douglas sword. Mr. Oliver. Fun fact is my friend Lee in school. Oh fuck! I accidentally exposed her name. My friend in school named herself Oliver, and now I just call her Mr. Oliver, like from Thomas and Friends. Mr. Oliver, look, I'm flying. Hurry up, Gordon's corny. The fuck did you just see? The fuck did you just see? I can't change the name for it. Fuck this. I'm gonna do a suicide attack. Scotland forever. Well, he's dead. And our final engine before I finally put this down and go to sleep so I can go on my computer tomorrow. Donald. I said Donald. Let me ride. Oh, that sounded wrong. I'm doing my best to avoid getting a neck cramp. And my muscles just compress and it just hurts so fucking much. Don't worry, Doogie. I'll save you. I'll save you, Doogie. Doogie. You done these stairs. Back off, you spooky bitch! Oh, where is he going? Oh no! No, you did it! No! Why did this? Ah! Oh no! No! Okay. Well, that's everyone. And no one made it up the hill. Not even Gordon. Like, actually only 2 engines made up the hill. I cannot control this shit, man. Gordon's alive. Gordon's alive. James is alive. There's Edward. Henry's nowhere to be found. Edward's high and crack. And here's Thomas. Bust my buffers. None of this would have happened if it's all my fault. It's all my fault. It's all because of me. Okay, shut up, Thomas. No one cares. Big nose. Yeah, I'm an engine now. What the fuck? Whoa, we're going somewhere. Oh no. Oh. I crashed. Oh. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, don't try this at home because that's gross. Well, goodbye.